Menteri Ketenat Boarding U80 Mondal ula pentip bana kaliang ke Sorkar jela kala Thung da kinong ajung mut ne consultant na kebentaban wat da kawipat kelenti kenang ban penti kena babarok kejait kali kiwawan sya kenong bak Shillong kin omdon kam ban yait lingba ke jingkieng Umiam. Habakren syakilat patai kubor haka arpo tarik nailar Mondal ula ong ba haka bayade bat ka ISBT hamawyong kandon kam kat tu kat nepor ban yo da kawipat ke surok kenang ban la ban pun urlong ya ke jing tunu jongka. Ka Sorkar kala Thung ya ki consultant ki bawla syem ya ki sinjam ban wat da kawipat ke lenti surok kenang babarok ki kali kin la ban wan sya kenong bak Shillong ula ong. Mondal ula ong ru ba ka jing keli ka bayade bat ka jing weng no ya ka jing perking ya ka let ka wan jong ki kali ki bakhya ling ba ka jing ki Umiam kam don satya. Ka jing perking kandang ne kham slam namar kat badang ya kiski kipor ka jing long jong ka jingkieng ru kanang tlot kumta kumno phikmi lenti ban weng no ya kan ni ka jing perking bala penjari ula bu jing keli kat kum ki consultant kila pen pa wa de ban khanglat iki kali ki bakhya parat ya ka khandai metric ton bakan ya ling ba jong kan ni ka jingkieng de na kata ka daw bangila pentre kam ya kan ni ka jing perking ula ong.
We have engaged an IIT for giving us the technical feasibility for allowing the vehicles passing through the bridge, and we are exactly doing what they have told us. This bridge restriction will be there, it is going to stay for quite long, because with time the condition of bridge will deteriorate more. So how can we expect that the ban will be lifted for heavy vehicles? See, that is a different issue. It doesn't mean that ISBT will be not utilized in near future. Government is engaged to see an alternative route. Now, why we are not allowing through the bridge? Because the dam condition also we got to look into, and so also the bridge condition. And as per our consultant, they told that no vehicle more than 9 metric ton should be allowed through the bridge. That's why we are restricting that one. Say suppose today we allow and something happens, then what happens? Then you will only tell that why government did not follow the directives of the consultant. It's not that purposefully we are restricting the vehicle, no. And as you told ISBT, see, ISBT will serve its purpose. Maybe it will require sometimes to get an alternative route, for which government has engaged some consultant also, and they are working on to see that an alternative route is made so that all types of vehicle can come to Syllad.